This is the new Army rifle. This is the XM7 and it shoots a bad boy. Current Army ammo in comparison to the brand new 6.8x5.1 113 grade, the next gen military ammunition. We're gonna compare it to existing NATO bullet 5.56x4.5, and we're gonna see how that bullet performs, impacting and transitioning and transferring energy into the ballistic shell. The new next gen 6.8x5.1. I saw all the gas explode out the back. From there, you see it dissect flawlessly down the center, and then the bullet expands, escapes right here. That is really wild. All right, next, green tip. What we have here, you can see the penetrator, the 6.8x5.1, the new Army bullet, wildly different.